Hi, class. The question of the day is, do you think that you are an expert in Microsoft Word? Well, let me show you one of the cool things that you're going to learn in this class, and you can tell me whether that's something that you already knew existed or not. All right, I'm going to do a cool tool called macros, and that will save you some time if you're working for a company and working on very long reports or using the same task over and over. For instance, let's say that you needed to bold and center something quickly. All right, so let's see. Let's say you have one sentence, two, three, four. So you have four sentences and you need to be able to bold and center them quickly. Well, yes, we could go to the Home tab and we could go through and bold and center the things that we need, or we can set a macro to do that for us. So if we go into the View ribbon, we can go to macros and we can record a macro. So let's call it bold center. Let's assign that to a series of keyboard strokes. So if you click this button, and let's say that you wanted to just be able to press a shortcut, Control Alt C. We would press that all at the same time, and then we would assign that to this particular macro, which is basically just a series of commands that is a shortcut, and we would click Close. Now you can see that it's being recorded. We're going to go into the Home button. We're going to highlight the sentence that we would like to bold and center, and that's all. That's all we're going to record in this macro. We're going to go back to View and we're going to stop recording. So now we have recorded a macro. The really cool thing is that now throughout your paper, you can highlight the things that you need to highlight, and then you can just apply that macro. Obviously, bold and center is something you can do quickly, but this is really the options are unlimited. You could do anything in a macro and save yourself some time. So now I'm going to run the macro that I need, which is bold center. I'm going to click run. It's going to go ahead and center and bold those two items, and you've learned how to do a macro.